Hello everyone, good morning. This is me Rini Gupta and the bulletin starts with Apple MacBook Air with the M4 chip could launch even before iPhone SE4. A WhatsApp roll out a new feature to scan documents directly via camera. NetApp appoints Hitesh Doshi as a director of a channels and Alliance India's and SAR. Google Chrome to soon get a new AI-powered scam detection tool for website. EVM becomes a second largest pen drive brand in India. TRAI, a latest mandate direct telecom operators to offer call and SMS only tariff. Clients Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses may soon display notification in built screens and more. In the previous quiz, we asked you who developed Yahoo, and the answer is a Jerry Yang and a David Philo. It's time for a daily tech quiz. Here's today's question. MOV extension refers usually to what kind of file? Confident you have gone to answer. Topic is in the comments below. Tune in to tomorrow's news bulletin if you nailed it. First up, Apple powerful M4 chip showcased in a MacBook Pro and Mac Mini is yet to debut in a MacBook Air. While Apple has not officially announced the release date, analyst Mark Gurman suggests an M4 powered MacBook Air could launch earlier than the iPhone SE4, iPad 11 and iPad Air. Expected in spring 2025, Apple may unveil the MacBook Air via press announcement deviating from its usual event timeline. Rumored features include a 13-inch and 15-inch model with the M4 chip offering a 25% CPU boost over the M3 along with a potential upgrades like center stage cameras and Thunderbolt 4 ports. Manufacturing is reportedly underway, hinting it's the first quarter 2025 releases. Now, a WhatsApp new document scanning feature eliminates the need for a separate app and printers, offering clear professional quality scans directly within the app. Available in the iOS 24, 25 and 80 update, it streamlines document sharing for personal and business use, such as sending recipients, contract or a note. Positioned in the app document sharing menu, the feature enhances WhatsApp role as an all-in-one communication and document exchange platform. Separately, WhatsApp will discontinue support from iOS version below 15.1 starting from May 5, 2025. Older models like iPhone 5s, 6 and 6 Plus running iOS 12.5.7 loses access, affecting a small user base. User with a compatible device must update iOS 15.1 for later and continue using the app, ensuring a smoother experience. Now, NetApp has appointed Hitesh Doshi as a director of channel and Alliance for India SAP with over 27% experience at companies like Notnext, Viam, IBM and Novell. Hitesh is a proven leader in hybrid cloud solution, data management and data center technologies. In the second sprint, NetApp aims to strengthen the channel ecosystem, foster innovation and drive partner growth. Hitesh prioritizes a collaboration emphasizing team, partners and delivering an exceptional value of customers. Puneet Gupta, VP and MD, NetApp India SAC highlighted that the Hitesh leadership and expertise align with the NetApp mission of providing a cutting-edge data management solution and the accelerating growth in the region. Meanwhile, Google Chrome is testing an AI-powered scam detection feature. It's a Canary version, named client-side detection, brand and intent for a scam detection. This feature uses an on-device large language model to identify a potential scam website without sending user data to the cloud, ensuring privacy. Available for a Mac, Linux and Windows, it's especially useful for browsing untrusted sites. It's enabled to install Chrome Canary, type Chrome flags in the address bar and search for a client-side detection brand as intent for scam detection. Enable the flag from the drop-down menu and you are set to explore the security feature. This innovation enhances online safety leveraging AI-powered secure browsing experiences. Owned by Hyundai Info Solution Private Limited, achieved highest ever market share in a Q3 2024, becoming India's largest pen drive brand. As reported on Cyber Media Research, EVM captured a 10% of pen drive market, despite a 15% sequential and a 42% year-over-year drop in overall consumer storage shipment. Pen drive dominates a market with a 65% share. EVM success stems from its innovative, high quality and affordable storage solution, offering a mid to high capacities and faster transfer speed. Last but not least, the Telecom Regulatory Authority in India (TRAI) has instituted a pro-consumer amendments in telecom policies, mandating operators to offer tariff plans exclusively for SMS and voice call. This move benefits around 150 million 2G users and dual SIM for users who have only need a basic services, eliminating the need to purchase expensive plans with the unused data benefit. The change could impact Airtel and Vi, which still offer 2G networks. While Jio provides only 4G and 5G services, additionally, TRAI has extended the validity of a special tariff vouchers from 90 to 365 days, offering a cost-effective plans with varied benefits. These reforms, based on consumer surveys and stakeholder feedback, aim to make a telecom services more affordable and the user. Meta plans to enhance a Ray-Ban smart glasses to adding a display, enabling features like notification and AI assistant responses. Price at rupees $300 to upgraded version to expected to launch the second half of 2025. This move aligns with the Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg vision for wearable devices and next major computing platform. Meta faces a competition from Apple, Google, and Snap, all advancing a smart glasses technology. The company recently unveiled its Orion AR glasses prototype, praised by developers but years from consumer releases. Since their 2023 debut, Meta smart glasses have gained a popularity, offering in-ear speaker cameras, Microsoft, and the AI features, are marking significant progress in wearable device innovation. This is for today's news. For more such tech updates, follow IT Voice.